In this episode of Ghost Host Kitchen, we are going to be making a marinated chicken. That's going to be a chicken with a pineapple honey marinade. Now we're going to start that with a base of balsamic dressing. The reason is because there are three things that you need in a dressing. You need a fat, you need an acid, and you need some flavor. So we use the balsamic because it has olive oil in it as a fat. Now that fat's going to get your flavor into the meat. We use the balsamic also because the balsamic vinegar in the dressing imparts some of that flavor. Now, like I said, we also need an acid. So for acid, we are going to use pineapple juice. And then also the honey, which you've already seen put in. The honey is going to add some flavor also and some sugar. And that sugar is going to caramelize, add an extra level of flavor to our marinade. So you just want to mix all those ingredients up, give them a good stir. You may want to put a little salt in here, completely optional, up to you. Now, as you can see, we don't have a lot of volume here. When we add the chicken in, it's not going to completely cover the chicken. The marinade's not going to completely cover the chicken. But that's okay because we have a secret weapon that we're going to use in here. And that is going to be a can of Sprite. Why? Well, Sprite has both sugar and acid in there. That pineapple flavor is still going to come through, and sugar from the Sprite will continue to add some flavor, and the acid from the Sprite will also just tenderize that meat. So basically what we have here is a balsamic dressing, which has olive oil in it for your fat, with a pineapple juice and Sprite, both of which are acids, and honey, which will give you some extra flavor to go along with the balsamic vinegar in the dressing. So you're going to put those again all together, mix them up, submerge the chicken in them, and then let them marinate. We're going to let them marinate for a full 24 hours. Now, why are we doing this? Because we, like just about everyone else out there, gets tired of having the same thing every night for dinner. You know what I'm talking about. It's the argument of, honey, what's for dinner? Well, we did something special tonight. Now, after 24 hours, we are grilling that thing up. We are using our Pampered Chef. We are not getting an affiliate link for that. We get no kickbacks from that. We are grilling our chicken up on our Pampered Chef grill. This is a great little grill. Cooks everything up in 5 minutes. So we just add that chicken to there. If you notice, that chicken is a different size. It's because after the marinade, I cut it just to make it a little bit easier to cook and to make portion control a bit easier. Because those 3 chicken breasts we put in there were pretty large. Just add them on, let them cook. They're going to cook for about 5 minutes at 400 degrees, and voila, there they come. They got a little char on them, got a lot of flavor. Now we cooked them in 2 batches. This will be 2 of the chicken breast here, 4 cutlets, and then we'll do the other 2, and we'll do those off camera. So we won't worry about those. But you've got something that is perfectly cooked, it's moist, it's tender, and yeah, it's something to have, and it's something a little bit different. Hope you guys love my chicken foot tongs there. Yeah, it took me a long time to find those. Turns out Amazon has them, like everything else in the world. And if you would like more of this kind of content, remember to give us a like, share, and subscribe, and tell all your friends. Also, feel free to leave a comment. We'd love to hear what you think about what we're doing and what you would like to see next. Alright, so that's what we have. Pick you a side, have it with some beans, have it with some baked beans, have it with some corn on the cob, whatever you like. We did ours with some zucchini fritters, but that's another video. So, Ghost Host Kitchen, enjoy. Have a good one.